All right, looks like we're ready to go again. So, in this session, we're going to start building some of the admin menus and then focus on the building screens. So the idea behind the different personas and our AIs that we're going to be building is well, a couple things. One is that there's going to be kind of some determining factor to say what type of situation we're running into. So if there's a feature request versus a bug, and then we're going to want to put things into like different modes. So I'm calling those personas. I don't know if that's a great name or not, but that's kind of where I'm starting. So you'll make a grumpy tech recruiter or product manager persona. You're going to make a helpful customer support persona. And with each one of those personas, I don't know exactly what we're going to be customizing, but I do know we're going to want to be customizing the prompts that go in to prep the AI before the actual request goes in. So that's what we're really going to be doing here, is looking at the personas and the system prompts that go with them. So that's all going to be, that's kind of the super admin level of stuff that we're looking at. So let's get started with that. So we want to make a new feature. So we want to do Rails G R spec feature. We're going to say admins super admins can access the admin menu. All right, so in here we want to do unsuccessfully. Normal user. So we're gonna start using some of the convenience parts that come with RSpec, with clearance and with factory bot. So we're gonna say user equals create user, and I want to explicitly be admin false. And if we visit the root path, we're going to do this as the user. Then we expect the page not to have link admin menu. I would say admin. Admin menu. And let's see all the ways this blows up. All right. So it doesn't know how to create, so that's a factory bot thing. Gem that's what I'm looking for. If you're in Rails, factory bot. All right, let's add that in. And I think we're not loading support files right now. Nope. So let's comment to that. Factory is not registered user. complaining about admin equals. This is where I was expecting us to get to, and that's because there is no admin field. Look at the users. Nope. So we're going to Rails G migration, add admin to users. All right. Users admin boolean null false default is false. And now it's going to scream at migrations. So let's migrate and try running again. Email is valid, email can't be blank. Let's set that then. So if we go to users, we are going to do email faker. I think that's internet. Not email. We'll see. Password can't be blank. Do they have one for here? I have no idea. They do. Beautiful. All right, that worked. Of course it worked. I don't have an admin menu. All right, let's do this successfully then. Successfully as admin. So we'll create user admin is true. Visit as root path, and here we're going to click the admin menu link, and I don't really care where it goes. We're going to say something like expect page.to have content dashboard. I don't know. And naturally it is complaining, but it makes missing link. Perfect. All right, so what we want to do is on the home page, we're going to add a link. Wow. Link to, what was this admin menu? Admin dashboard. And this is going to go to the admin root path. Home. That should. Oh, I don't have my clearance stuff. So clearance has so this as user, that's here. This is a middleware. There we go. So as a middleware, which lets you kind of bypass the entire sign-up process. And I will find admin root path. Beautiful. All right. Oop. That's not what I want. And while I'm here, I might as well grab their own stuff. Route to admin. Sure, that works. All right. So make a new directory, admin, and a new dashboards controller. Almost tend to make this an admin controller. That way we kind of do the same idea where it's going to require admin only. The constraint should prevent that, so that's something I don't really worry about it. But there also could be other admin, shared admin behavior. Something to consider. So what is it? Home? Show. And this should, at this point, now complain about the template. Admin dashboard's missing. Yep. It's always nice when you get the expected failures. All right. All right, expect to page content dashboard. Admin dashboards show. Because I did the wrong one. All right. So now we should be good. We'll throw the dashboard. Why did that fail? Pages, home, link to admin dashboard, enter a new account. Admin root path. You know what, this should be admin. Yeah, this shouldn't be like that. This should be a resource. So let's throw this into a namespace. And we have a resource of dashboards. You get that right? All right, admin dashboards. Good, okay. Let's see how that looks. So we have an admin dashboard. That's it on the admin dashboard path. Okay. Now we're on the admin dashboard page, and it's not finding the dashboard words. That's better. So I suppose this is going to have stats or something. I don't know. Eventually. All right, that works. So we've got our admin controller, our admin view. We have that. Middleware. Why do I have the admin dashboard? This says that it didn't. Okay, but I did find it. Perfect. All right. All right. Only round one test. Let's run both. All right, good. Cool. That default is false. Schema. All right, we got an admin menu. We got admin users. So now we want to do a Rails G our spec feature. Super admins and manage personas. Okay, so user, we're going to create a user. We can visit the admin dashboard path as the user who is going to be an admin. We're going to click on personas, click on add persona, fill in name with cranky tech bro. Click on create persona. This is going to take you to the persona page. You're going to click on add a prompt. We're going to fill in prompt with pretend you are cranky tech bro. Type in a prompt, add it, type in prompt, add it. So if you add a prompt, you can then fill in a test input with test, click on test persona, yeah, it's going to be something like that. All right, so here we're going to link to add persona, new, I am going to fade pretty soon, actually. It's been a long day, and yeah. Personas. Personas. There we go. That was weird. Didn't blow up until I tried to load it. link to add persona. This won't stop. New admin persona path. And let's go complain about the controller. Yep. I'm actually starting to fall asleep at the wheel here. So I think I'm probably going to wrap up right about now. I was hoping I'd get more done, but it is what it is, right? Let's see if this gets us any further. Oh, so we're back into the same problem where we don't have a persona. And what's a persona? Yep. Rails G model persona. And it's going to have a name. And that's it. So we have a name. Say null is false. All right. A couple of days ago, I was at the beach, or at the pool rather, and I decided to trip over the pool chair and pretend as Superman. This led to me flying quite majestically through the air until I landed on the ground. So that happened. All right, so it's complaining about personas path not being a thing. So that's because we're in the admin persona path. Fortunately, the cement from the pool broke my fall. So, yeah. Crate cannot be found. Of course not. Yeah, so I hit the ground. Wind knocked out of me. Definitely have bruised something or something on the side here. So just sore and uncomfortable, but it's all right. So we are going to go to the admin persona page, so the show for it, and created the persona. Else render new and status of unpossible entity. Persona params aren't a thing. Nope. All right, params.require. This is going to be persona dot permit and just name. And now it's looking for the prompt button. All right, so I'm actually going to call it quits right there. Like this down to here, so we're creating the persona, and we'll move forward with the rest of it tomorrow. All right. Well, best of luck and happy hunting out there.